Hi, my name's Adam Kreutinger, and I'm an art teacher by day and maker by night.
I loved him. He was the best. He was so uniquely Adam.
Hey, that's me!
Adam was certainly someone who made art every day.
He had this mindset where he never had wasted space.
He could be in the middle of 10 projects. He would sit and have a conversation with you.
There are so many secrets, it really frustrated him. And he said, no, everyone should know, because if they don't, we're gonna have crappy looking puppets.
Once he started making videos on YouTube, that's really when the world went wild with Adam.
Make art every day!
It certainly wasn't information that was readily available before Adam came around. It was like hitting a gold mine.
Are you talking to your camera again?
Wherever you were, you could learn from Adam.
It's a place where we can all be nerds together.
He would push you in a way to realize what other people might be looking for, wanting, needing.
I wish he was every kid's art teacher.
You guys want me to try them on? Yeah!
Just wanted to create. That was how he breathed.
I can't think of anything else I'd rather be doing than creating, and I love that he felt that way.
You can make art every day. You just have to have a passion for it. And Adam taught us what it means to have a passion.
Puppetry is for everybody.
All right, now that we have our supplies, let's get started.